ReadyLIFT has great news for the 2014 to 2018 GM 15 truck owner, an all-new 7-inch lift kit. Designed to run 35-inch tires on -12 offset wheels, this kit provides a full 7-inch of lift and maintains the factory turning radius with minimal track width increase. The lift is courtesy of a lower clamshell-style strut extension that is angled for proper geometry and includes TCT bushings for longevity and no maintenance. The lower strut extensions also make it compatible with MagneRide equipped trucks. 3/16" steel was used for the box front and rear cross members, and full-width skid plate provides rigidity. 1/4" steel differential drop brackets that feature gussets to eliminate torsional twisting and angle to eliminate driveline vibrations at speed. For trucks originally equipped with stamped steel control arms, this new 7-inch kit is available with tubular control arms that feature maintenance-free bushings and spring-loaded HD ball joints. Fabricated rear blocks that feature an integrated bump stock tang are angled for ideal pinion angles and offset pins to center the axle. Premium Bilstein shocks for the rear are included with this new 7-inch kit for optimum performance. This exciting new 7-inch kit comes in 3 versions depending on your upper OE control arm configuration. Find yours and learn more at www.readylift.com or your local ReadyLIFT dealer.